Ito namang isa, si Snow Badua, hindi naman reporter. You know, to call Snow Badua a reporter is like calling Robert De Niro an actor. You know, hindi yan. Snow Badua is a personality. He's like you. He's a social media influencer. Diba? May mga hundreds of thousands of followers yan. And not only that, unlike, unlike a common reporter na si Snow, galing TV yan. May background yan talaga. So he earned his purse. So yun ang nasaktan ako na dalawang kaibigan ko hindi nagkaintindihan. Yun lang. So I'm not taking any side. So hopefully, just like you said na sana, after the storm, there's a movie, there's a novel I read a long time ago, yung The Things I Lost on the Fire. Maganda, basahan mo. It's very good. The things you lost on the fire. So ito, sana masdan nila, mapag-observe ni Snow and ni Coach Delta na, at the end of the day, we are friends. In some ways, we need each other. Diba?